welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this makeup look. It's really focusing on the base of my makeup, but this is my go-to spring makeup as of this moment. The products that I use in today's video are adored to the max. This video is not sponsored. I'm really obsessed right now. I'm so obsessed right now. Yeah, in today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys how I got this makeup look. It will be a talk through. Hopefully it's not too long. I try to get right to the point. Before I get started, I am thinking about doing like a Q&A life update video because I haven't done one and I don't know how long. So much has transpired over the past year. This year, a lot has changed. I was thinking about doing like a life update video. If you guys are interested, please be sure to leave in the comment section of this video any questions you may have, and I will get them out to you in a life update video. But without further ado, if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey my honeydew, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to makeup routine for spring of 2024. My makeup routine has changed drastically over the years. I like to keep it easy breezy, lemon squeezy. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be using some warm colors, and I really just want to play in some makeup. So my skin is very shiny right now. I did my skincare about 20 minutes ago. I am going to just hop right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime, and I'm going to use my Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. It looks like this, and I would use this on the T-zone area, and that's all I'm going to do. Is I'm only going to apply this on my center of my face. I just take one little pump. A little goes a long way. You don't need too much. So I'm just going to let that sit and dry for a little bit, and then we'll move on to the next step. So next I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown Skin Corrector Stick in the color Deep Peach. I really like this one because it's not like super orange, because I feel I use like the LA Girls orange corrector is too orange. I just need like a peach color. What I forgot to do, and I just realized when I went up here, is I forgot to do my brows. So I'm really just going to use my LA Girl. I'm going to use my Got To Be glue. So my eyebrows are kind of done. They're not fully done, but I need to blend this out because I don't know the drying time on this. So now I'm going to take my Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Translucent Loose Setting Powder. It comes in a little gadget like this, and I don't use to set my makeup at all. So I don't know how it does in that department. Like, I don't know if it gives like bad flashback, but I use this to blur my T-zone area. I'm so sorry you guys, I was not recording on my microphone, which is really just this little gadget here. So I'm going to switch my microphone now. I'm so sorry about that. I don't know what it sounds like now, but hopefully it sounds better. Now I am going to go ahead and use my Holy Grail foundation from the drugstore. That is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. I have mine in the color Hazelnut right on my face, just a little bit. This is a buildable foundation for sure. I'm going to take my Morphe M446 brush. It's a good buffer brush. That is what we're looking like. I'm going to bring you in just a little bit just to make sure, like, I feel like this is better. I'm going to go ahead and take, where are you from? I have no idea. I've had this sponge forever. I'm going to take her, and we're just gonna go over my face to pick up any like excess foundation. I'm going to take the matching concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, full wear. I have the color Almond, which is 410. This is not a concealer color or a concealer shade. It's definitely a highlighter shade. I'm also gonna take my Urban Decay Stay Naked Quickie concealer in the color 70NN. This shade is practically like my skin tone. So I'm only going to apply this right here just so that the highlighting concealer color is not like too much. And then I apply a little here because I feel like I need a little bit more coverage right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend out my concealer. Before I go ahead and blend out the remaining, I'm going to take this contour stick from OG. It's like OGEE. The color is Copper. Looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and take my bling brushes, bring on the bling brush, and this is my favorite brush to use to do any kind of contour, bronzer. I'm just gonna blended and we are bright. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Rare Beauty Soft Pinch, I believe it's called, liquid blush in the color Worth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some like this here onto my cheeks. Love that, love that, love, love, love. Everything looks so good. Looks so good. So now I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty. I think it's Huda. I've been seeing everyone saying Huda. I've been saying Huda this whole time, so I think it's Huda. Huda, Hootie, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna take the loose setting powder in Blondie, and I'm gonna take this little powder puff I got on Amazon. I'll link it below. And I'm not gonna take this like all under my eye, just a little bit. I'm gonna take my Morphe M554. It's just a soft little brush, and I'm going to sweep under my eye, because sometimes I feel like when I do use any kind of puff or whatever and I press powder, sometimes it just sits there, but it's not like, it needs to be brushed off. Now, before I use anything else, I'm gonna go ahead and just take my Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist. This is the rose water and green tea, and it looks like this. And then I'm just gonna set. Just gonna take the butt of my beauty blender, don't move my face, and just press that setting spray into my face. And in the areas where I place the powder, I kind of want to bring it back to life, and I look at not have it look too matte. Now, I don't think it's like super important, at least for this video, that I do my eyeshadow. I'm really just going to dig into my Natasha Denona, and I'll just speed up this part here, but I'm just going to use this palette here. I'm going to use a few shades, nothing too crazy, and then I'll be back to walk you through the rest. There's no one like you around, oh baby. What you done to me, I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. What you done to me, I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. Alright, you guys, so I did more than I thought I was going to do. I seen that yellow just calling my name in there, and I said, yeah, you're going on my eyelids today. Now I'm going to take my Lancome, I don't know if it's called Cils Booster XL. I got the travel version. It costs like 14 bucks. You can buy it at Sephora or you can buy it at Ulta. It's just a makeup primer. Rare Beauty recently launched their compact blushes. So we all know I love their liquid blushes, but they just recently came out with some powder blushes. I think what they could have also done was make these blushes, they're very shimmery and sheeny, but I think if they would have made a matte and shimmery like blushes, would have been such a much better idea, because not everyone likes shimmery blushes. Me personally, I do. I don't care if it enhances my pores, but not everyone does. So I think if they would have came out with that, that'd have been dope. So this one here is called Cheer, and this one here is called Happy. So I think I'm gonna apply this one first, which is Happy, and then I'll apply Cheer on top of that. Next, I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than mascara. This is their brown mascara, and I'm just going to apply this. I like to use a brown mascara lately because it just looks so much more softer around my eyes, especially when I don't have makeup on and I just put on like a soft little coat of mascara, brown mascara. It just looks so good. I've had so many friends laugh at me for doing this, and you know what? I'm still doing it. I take my NYX liquid liner and do a small little dot. What is that dot gonna do to anybody? Why does it bother people? And then I used to put it on top of my my beauty mark right here. I once had a friend say, why do you do that? Like, you ain't even got no mole right there. So I do. I put it there because usually when I do my makeup, it disappears. But even if it wasn't there to begin with, I can still do it. This is so random. I know I'm going somewhere else with it, but I just never understood why people like feel it so much in their chest to like tell me about how I do my makeup or my hair or why I'm wearing something. Like, if it ain't hurting nobody and I feel like I look good, shut up. I've had people tell me like in my face, why do you do that? If you don't get out of my face, like, shut up. What is wrong with people? Everybody's entitled to their opinion. You know what I'm saying? It's just the ones that are unsolicited are the issues, because I would never want anyone to feel like they can't express their opinion. But to come out of the side of your neck and say, why do you do that? And you say it in a way where it's like, it's very stank. It's not coming from the best place. Someone saw this, instead of saying, why do you do that? With such a stank face, and say, I see you put a mole there. Do you have one? I was just always curious as to why you put that there. That sounds like more of curiosity and like, I just want to know why, rather than like, I'm totally going on a tangent. We are here for makeup. I just never understood how people get so comfortable. Because if I told you how I think about how you look and stuff, that wouldn't be nice. Lastly, we are going to do lips. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm so used to like using that in the past. Perfect Precision Eyeliner, but I use it as a lip liner. This is the color brown. If I had a light brown, I would use more of a softer brown. This one gives off like chocolate, and I would like to have like a more softer brown. Blend the edges so it doesn't look too like harsh. So I'm taking my Rare Beauty lip oil, is that what it's called? Tinted lip oil in the color Delight. So yes, I would definitely like if it was a like a lighter brown, because I want my lips to look a little more softer and not so like. This is the finished look. I love, absolutely love my makeup. Base is really all that I care about. As long as my base is good, then I'm great. Guys, that is all that I have for you guys today. How you guys feeling about makeup videos? I still love to do makeup. I really love to do easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you guys want like, oh, I have to rush out the door and I gotta do my makeup in like 5 or 10 minutes, let me know. I can do it. I don't even use foundation, okay? Only thing that I do for that is a good skincare and a little touch up. So if you want that video, let me know and I can definitely get that out for you guys for more of my like natural, I don't want to do too much girls. But if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are doing well. I was gonna do a chit chat video to like catch you guys up on life and stuff, but I figured I'd take that for like another day. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. So until then, peace, 2 fingers.
Wondering what's on your mind. If you like the simple type, I ain't stupid, dumb or blind. Won't sleep, be a bit of a last. Heard you